Welcome back to Social Science class. Today we will discuss about question and answers of chapter 1 part 3. Hope you all are keeping well. In this session you can see the soft copy of textbook in the last. Dear students, now we are moving to discuss about worksheet. Fill in the blanks. The large and masses of the world are cold. Answer is continents. Second, the vast water bodies of the world are cold. Answer is oceans. Third, the world's deepest trench, the Mariana Trench, lies in the dash ocean. Answer is Pacific Ocean. Fourth, Africa is separated from Asia by the dash canal. Answer is Suez Canal. North America and South America are linked by a narrow strip of land called. Answer is the Isthmus of Panama. Next is section B. Take the right answer. First one, the largest continent of the world is dash. Answer is Asia. Second, the largest river in the world is the dash. Answer is Nile. Third, the largest desert in the world, Sahara, is in dash, Africa. Fourth, the S-shaped ocean is the dash. Answer is Atlantic Ocean. Fifth, the largest ocean of the world is the dash. Answer is Pacific Ocean. Section C. Give one word answer. The smallest continent. Answer is Australia. Second, the deepest ocean. Answer is Pacific Ocean. Third, the smallest ocean. Answer is Arctic Ocean. 4. The white continent. Answer is Antarctica. Fifth, the continent which is also a country. Answer is Australia. Section D. Question and answers, short and long. First one, name the continents of the world. Answer is, dear students, we studied Early, there are seven continents in, in the world. First one, Asia. Second, Africa. Third, North America. Fourth, South America. Fifth, Antarctica. Sixth, Europe. Seven, Australia. Next question. Name the oceans of the world. We know that there are five oceans in the world. First one, the Pacific Ocean. Second, the Atlantic Ocean. Third one, the Indian Ocean. Fourth one, the Antarctic Ocean. Fifth one, the Arctic Ocean. Next question. Which continent has the largest population? Answer is Asia. Next question. Why is Antarctica called frozen continent? Answer is Antarctica is permanently covered with thick ice sheets, so it is called frozen continent or white continent. Next question. What are the two important parts of the Indian Ocean? The two important parts of the Indian Ocean are the Arabian Sea and Bay of Bengal. Next question. What is oceanography? Answer is the study of the ocean is called oceanography. Dear students, now we are moving to textbook reference. Chapter 1, Continents and Oceans. Earth, the third planet from the Sun, is our home planet. When it is seen from the space, it looks like a blue planet. It is because 71% of the Earth's surface is covered with water. The land masses remain only 29%. The large land masses are called continents. The vast water bodies are called oceans. All the oceans of the world are connected with each other. The level of seawater remains the same everywhere throughout the world. This level of seawater is called sea level. The definition of the sea level: the level of the ocean surface used as a standard in reckoning land elevation or sea depth. Continents. There are 7 continents on the earth. In order of size, they are Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Antarctica, Europe, and Australia. Look at the world map and note that these continents are separated by oceans. Asia. Asia is the largest continent in the world. It covers one-third of the land area of the Earth's surface. The large land masses are called oceans. It is surrounded by oceans on three sides: the Arctic Ocean in the north, the Pacific Ocean in the east, the Indian Ocean in the south. It is the home of many high mountains peaks in the world. Mount Everest, the highest peak in the world, is here. More than half of the world's population lives in Asia. Two most populous countries, China and India, are in this continent. Africa. Africa is the second largest continent in the world. It is bounded by the Mediterranean Sea in the north, the Indian Ocean in the east, and the Atlantic Ocean in the west. Africa is separated from Asia by the Suez Canal and from mainland of Europe by the Strait of Gibraltar. The world's largest river, Nile, flows through Africa. The Sahara, the world's largest hot desert, is located in this continent. Strait is a narrow passage of water connecting two seas. Dear students, the right side of this you can see the Suez Canal picture. Next, North America. The picture also you can see in the left side. North America is the third largest continent in the world. It is bounded by the Arctic Ocean in the north, the Atlantic Ocean in the east, and the Pacific Ocean in the west. It is linked to South America by a narrow strip of land called the Isthmus of Panama. However, the Panama Canal now separates the two continents. Mount McKinley in Alaska is the highest point in this continent. Isthmus. Isthmus is a narrow strip of land with sea on both sides. South America. South America is the fourth largest continent in the world. It is surrounded by oceans on all sides. The Andes Mountains, which run through its length, are the longest mountain ranges in the world. South America is the home of the world's largest river, the Amazon. The famous Amazon rainforest, the world's thickest forests, are located here. Dear students, you can see the picture of Amazon rainforest in the right side. Antarctica. Antarctica is the fifth largest continent in the world. The South Pole lies almost at the center of this continent. Antarctica is permanently covered with thick ice sheets and is thus called the frozen continent or white continent. It is the coldest part of the world. It contains 75% of the ice in the world. It is the only continent where people do not live on a permanent basis. Only some animals, such as penguins, whales, and seals, are found here. Dear students, the Antarctica, the picture you can see in the left side. Europe. Europe is the sixth largest continent in the world. Europe is bounded in the north by the Arctic Ocean and in the west by the Atlantic Ocean. To its south lies the Mediterranean Sea. Europe is joined to Asia in the east. Australia. Australia is the seventh and the smallest continent in the world. Are surrounded by oceans, it is called an island continent. Australia is the only continent which is also a country. The Great Barrier Reef and the Great Australian Desert are two well known features of this continent. Dear students, you can see the Great Barrier Reef in the right side. Oceans. There are 5 oceans on the Earth's surface, namely the Pacific Ocean, the Atlantic Ocean, the Indian Ocean, the Antarctic Ocean, and the Arctic Ocean. The Pacific Ocean. The Pacific Ocean is the largest ocean in the world. In the north, it is connected to the Arctic Ocean through a narrow stretch of water called Bering Strait. In the south, it merges with the Atlantic, the Indian, and the Antarctic Oceans. The Pacific Ocean is bounded by Asia and Australia in the west, and North America and South America in the east. It is also the deepest ocean. The world's deepest trench, the Mariana Trench, above 10,900 meters deep, lies in it. Trench. Trench is a long, steep-sided depression in the ocean floor. Dear students, you can see Pacific Ocean, Mariana Trench in the right side. The Atlantic Ocean. The Atlantic Ocean is the second largest ocean in the world. It extends in a S shape from the Arctic to the Antarctic regions, between North and South America on the west and Europe and Africa on the east. A unique feature of this ocean is the mid-Atlantic ridge, which has several high peaks that form islands in the ocean. It is the busiest ocean for the trade and commerce. Some of the world's best seaports, like London, New York, Montreal, are along the Atlantic coast. Dear students, you can see mid-Atlantic ridge in the left side. The Indian Ocean. The Indian Ocean is the third largest ocean in the world. It is the only ocean that is named after a country, India. It is bounded by Asia on the north, Africa on the west, and Australia in the east. The two important parts of the Indian Ocean are the Arabian Sea and the Bay of Bengal. The Antarctic Ocean. The Antarctic Ocean is the fourth largest ocean in the world. It is also called the Southern Ocean. It surrounds the continent of Antarctica. It is formed by the merging of the southern parts of the Pacific, the Atlantic, and the Indian Ocean. The Arctic Ocean. The Arctic Ocean is the fifth and the smallest ocean in the world. North America, Europe, and Asia continents border this ocean in the south. It lies within the Arctic Circle and surrounds the North Pole. On account of the closeness of the North Pole, it remains frozen throughout the year. More to know. Asia and Europe are not separate land masses. They are divided by the Ural Mountains. There are no countries in Antarctica. The US and many other countries operate science stations there, but no nation owns the land. Australia is a country as well as a continent in the world. The continents are moving at few centimeters every year, so oceans also move. The study of the ocean is known as oceanography. Volcanoes, mountains, and deep trenches are often found in the oceans. Life on the planet Earth began in oceans more than 3 billion years ago. Dear students, we finished SST chapter 1. So you have to learn it and refer it properly. So all the best wishes for your studies.